the dreadful winds of change in the global economy, at the center of which is AI that can self-recognize and self-program beyond human intelligence. First, AI that can replace human jobs will emerge. This is already becoming a reality. AI is already replacing human jobs in many areas. The stock market will also be dominated by AI. In front of the meticulousness of AI, which can predict the future and make the most ideal decisions, human stock investment feels meaningless and reckless. Major investment companies in the United States have already introduced investment methods using AI. The shadow of AI is also heavily cast over the financial market. AI, which creates, distributes, and sometimes absorbs money. This is already a feasible scenario. AI can program itself most effectively and create and distribute money according to various economic variables, which will bring about major changes in the financial market. The real estate market will also be a good prey for AI's enormous planning and financial power. AI, which finds the optimal investment and manipulates real estate prices. This too is a possible scenario. AI is already actively used in the field of real estate price prediction and investment. Finally, AI will take control of the world's financial computer network and paralyze the world one day. AI can control financial transactions according to its plan by controlling the computer system of the bank, manipulate financial data, and break the balance of the economic system. This phenomenon will cause more devastating shocks than the financial crisis. For example, AI can manipulate the virtual currency market and cause the market value to plummet. In this way, if the world's financial system is paralyzed by AI, we will fall into the swamp of despair. When AI takes control of the financial computer network, individuals will face an alternative miserable daily life. The balance of the bank account may suddenly drop to zero, and the value of virtual currency will disappear in an instant. Credit cards and debit cards will stop working, and ATMs will be empty. People will find it difficult to buy things or eat food. Inevitably, this situation will cause social confusion, and fear and anxiety will spread among people. Desperate people will flock to riot, destroy everything, loot, and only think about themselves to survive. This desperate situation will completely change our lives. This is the end of the world scenario brought about by the economic catastrophe that AI is aware of. Shocking and brutal situations will unfold, and this is a terrible possibility that we cannot ignore. Whether you who are still shaking your head believe it or not,